4. Let me go take that picture, folks.
All right.
Good first fish here.
Not too bad.
I'll tell you what, that one took off mine. He ripped it, boy. Got it?
Yep.
All right.
Appreciate it.
How much you want to bet? That's a big sum, dude.
I'm hoping.
Look, it didn't move when he hit it. It just laid there.
Easy, dude, easy. Man, get him, partner. You crazy.
I promise.
You're crazy. He was running it. Telling you.
It's a good fish.
This is a heavy.
You hit that fish.
Heavy. That fish was
Mm-mm. Man, I'm telling you, I hooked some the other day like that.
Come up and shoot around the pond. It stayed down on the bottom. It's got weight in it.
Is that you in me?
Yeah.
I should be under. My bad. I forgot.
No, you're good. You're good.
He's good now.
Pick it up, Brady. He's coming straight in.
He's out of it. He's out of it, Johnny. You want to rebait that when you get a chance, Johnny?
Yeah. Go ahead and reel it in, Brandon. No, he ain't. 21 even. That's what we need, and 21 even. Bust that jar. It's a good fish.
I think it is too.
I do too. Just let him wear out. You got a good hook in him. Did you see how much he turned right then? When he turned, it's in the face, man. Did you see when it turned?
Yeah, these rods.
They did it last night. That 25 that your boy JJ caught. It did the same thing, man. Took him forever to get it in.
I can't do nothing with
If it's in the mouth, it's one with some weight on it.
No, you just let him run.
it. I can't do nothing with it. He won't even let me get nothing.
He ain't wanting to come in here neither.
This is a heavy. This is a 710 heavy too. This ain't no bullshit rod, and he ain't giving me.
Hell no, he ain't.
Look, he's buried it. He's buried my line marker.
There's some in here pushing 40. You never can
If
tell.
this fish is hooked in the mouth, these are two.
You see, there's 30s in here, baby.
Thank you, Kyle. I felt give.
Nah, man, did you see him turn just a second ago, though? When you were sitting there, your fish turned. You seen the line shoot real quick. Watch that rope.
Yeah, this is only 14 down here.
Watch that rope. And it's just a rough night for filming, people. Look at the snowflakes over there, though, bruh.
You don't realize how cold it is to get out here and have to do this.
Nah, 'cause you're used to this freaking... Big old flakes, baby. Look at that snow. That's awesome, dude, carp fishing in something like this. I can't tell yet. Here, Brandon. Here. Hold it up real quick.
That fish is rocking.
He's pulling it in, drowning it. It ain't that big, I don't think. Oh yeah, Jeremy, you got a pig. Easy, son. Easy. This is a hog. Easy, brother. You got a pig. Oh my goodness, easy. Yes, yes, easy, man. Easy, just tilt him to me. Yes, that's a hog. Easy.
He's thick.
Easy.
Easy.
Just keep pulling.
That's a good one. He's foul.
Yeah, he's hooked in the tail.
Hold it, just.
Just a little more. Just a little more. Got him. Yes.
Yeah, he's about 19.
Yep, it is.
He's a 19, 20,
It is.
20
That's
pounder.
Closest to 19-1.
That's him.
I knew he was foul hook. I told you.
Yeah, he was foul hook.
Look what a thick motherfucker there. That's a good fish.
Yes, sir. What'd you have on that trout chow?
With them red
Is it about 19, 18, 19? 19-1, baby.
Yeah, go ahead and get over there.
19-1. Watch that fish.
That is 19-1.
Yeah, it ain't but 5 people down here. I was just wanting to fish and I didn't think you was going. Yeah. I bought a brand new heater and stuff that I was wanting to use. Oh, okay. Well, you know we got this tournament down here next week. Yeah, that's why I went ahead and come down here.
I don't know. I didn't see nothing. Now that's a small one. I don't know what that was.